Hi Cheyenne, I like your off green. I like that you can see that this was probably a tree and it's just kind of smoky. I think your logo works really well with this all caps font, the serif. You're the only one who put a stamp in there, which was a good idea. Um, I like this idea of the return address being in here, but that's where your logo and your return address would be. So consider taking this whole thing, scale it by half and put it in this space. And then, you put your mom or whoever on there as an example. This is beautiful. That would be cool if you could print this out. I don't know how much money it would cost. I also like your business card. I think you need some practicality on here, though. People want your address. They know what a Gmail account is. They know what a phone number is. You don't need that kind of thing. In today's modern world, you just keep it simple. You put a website, an address, etc. But I do like how you've tracked out your name. Maybe you need a little bit more spacing here with the SHI. It seems like Holder has more space. Finally, I think it would be a more contemporary look without this pre-made border. The other thought is if you really like the idea of the border, create it with your own hand. Create it the same way you created the SH. Like maybe bring it over, bring it down. I think it'll be more charming. Anyway, you've got a good start. Let me know if you have any questions.